features of the doors, they're just on gas struts, so we can just lock them off at any stage. So in winter, or if it's really windy, you can just have them down there. It gives the chickens enough room to go in and out. When you're moving the chickens, you've got the opportunity to close the doors right in, and you've got rubber catches here that close them down. Around your feet, you can come in here, you can close the door, you've got room to move, turn around, put your egg crates down, put your trays down. Also up here you've got a full shelf and you can put many trays of eggs up here, so they're out of your way but still close by.
Well done.
These are the drinkers at the front of the chicken caravan. We have two stainless steel drinkers, one on either side of the A-frame. In the chicken caravans we have two water tanks down at each side. They come to these taps here, so the taps are turned on, they go to the hoses, and then we have drinkers to the front of the chicken caravan. The water tanks are separate, so if one does leak out, you still have a backup. Those water tanks collect water off the roof that goes down into the separate tanks, and it does that automatically. And you've got your water control points here. We also have clear pipe tubing, so we can see the level of the water tank straight away, so we know how much water's in there, so we know if we're to fill it up. And we've got fill points on the back that I'll show you now. This is the back of the mobile. What we've got here, there are two fill points that go inside to fill up the water tanks. These are the back of the water tanks. You can just undo these. They're full of water at the moment, so I don't need to undo them. If ever you need to clean them out, you can just get a chimney brush in there, clean out whatever. Here's the back gutter. The slope of the roof slopes back. Everything lands in this back gutter. And then internally we've got plumbing that just goes down and then feeds both pipes. All up, the pipes carry about 200 litres each, so you've got about 400 litres of water there for your chickens. These are the nesting boxes. We have roll-away nesting boxes. So this one's locked off, so it's already level. In as the matting, we use AstroTurf, so that just goes straight in the nesting box. It provides a soft place for the chooks to lay. It's on a slope, so that slopes towards the middle, and in the middle we have the conveyor belt, and we just roll the conveyor belt in with the eggs on it. Very user friendly.